At the break of dawn, when the world is still wrapped in silence, the Covey River begins to whisper, and slowly life awakens. This is Ranganathittu Bird Sanctuary, a place where the sky fills with wings and every sunrise tells a new story. Thousands of birds rise together, painting the sky with motion, rhythm, and life. Watch closely, and you will see more than birds. You will see journeys, painted storks glide with quiet elegance. Spoonbills sweep the waters with patience, and herons stand still, waiting for the perfect moment. Every movement is precise, every moment purposeful, because here survival is an art, and life exists in perfect balance. This story was shaped over centuries by the flowing Covey River. As the river moved through the land, it created small rocky islands that became safe havens for birds. In the early 20th century, with the vision of Surin, Visvesvaraya, and the construction of the Krishna-Roji Sagar Dam, the flow of the river was guided, stabilizing these islands and helping this sanctuary take form. What began as a natural formation evolved into one of India's most important bird habitats. Every year, from distant lands across continents and oceans, migratory birds arrive here, guided only by instinct. From November to February, the sanctuary fills with travelers from regions like Siberia and Europe. And then as the seasons shift from March to May, life begins again. Nests appear across trees, chicks call out into the air, and the sanctuary transforms into a vibrant cradle of life. The sanctuary is home to a rich diversity of species, including painted storks, pelicans, spoonbills, ibis, herons, and egrets. Each plays a vital role in maintaining ecological balance. Beyond the birds, marsh crocodiles rest silently along the riverbanks, while fish beneath the water sustain the entire food chain. The Covey River is not just water. It is the lifeline that supports every form of life here. One of the most unique ways to experience Ranganathittu is through boating. As boats glide slowly and quietly through narrow channels, visitors witness wildlife at close range. Birds nest just above eye level, continuing their natural rhythm undisturbed. In these moments, we are reminded that we are not separate from nature, but deeply connected to it. But this balance is fragile. The river is no longer as predictable as it once was. Climate change is altering rainfall patterns, affecting water levels and disturbing breeding cycles. Pollution, habitat disturbance, and increasing human pressure are slowly challenging this delicate ecosystem. If these changes continue, places like Ranganathittu may lose their richness and beauty. This is where our role becomes important. I am Dr. L. Ranganathittu, and through my book, My Climate Action Sustainable Living Through Self-Driven Actions, I emphasize that real change begins with individuals. The power to protect ecosystems like Ranganathittu lies not only in policies, but in the actions we take every day. Saving water, reducing waste, protecting natural habitats, and living sustainably are not small efforts. When multiplied across millions of people, they create meaningful impact. Every small step contributes to a larger movement of change. Ranganathittu is more than a sanctuary. It is a story of life, balance, and coexistence. It teaches us that nature thrives when respected and protected. But it also reminds us that responsibility to preserve it lies with us. Let us act today, not tomorrow. Let us make conscious choices that support sustainability and protect our environment. Because the future of places like Ranganathittu, and the countless species that depend on them, ultimately depends on us. In every wing beat, there is freedom. In every bird call, there is a story. Let us ensure that these stories continue for generations to come.